What's going on, JSerra? I'm Max.
And I'm Mateo, and let's start out with the most entertaining segment, the daily announcements.
On Monday, October 12th at 3:30 p.m., Arizona State University, Gonzaga University, and Marquette University college reps are meeting virtually with any interested JSerra students and parents. Also on Monday, October 12th, the University of Chicago will be available at 4:30 p.m. You must register on Seattle to get the Zoom link.
Also, you are invited to attend the U.S. Military Service Academy night hosted by U.S. Representative Mike Levin on Tuesday, October 13th from 5 to 6 p.m. Contact Mrs. Mary Victoria Taylor for more information on how to sign up.
Thanks. So how's sports doing?
Well, thankfully, our athletic department has given us a way to train and to respect the guidelines.
Good thing there's a new Pride Playbook.
What's up, JSerra? I'm Val, and welcome to this edition of the Pride Playbook. First up, we have Grace, who's giving us a preview of our fall sports teams and practicing and getting ready for their upcoming season. Let's go take a look.
What's up, Lion Nation? I'm Gracie Graham, and I'm going to be taking you guys on a little tour to showcase our fall sports. So let's go see what they're up to.
Thanks, Grace. And Bella challenged two JSerra athletes from our rugby and surf team to see which one is a better golfer. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Nate Leff, and I'm on the JSerra rugby team.
I'm Esteban Johnson, and I'm on the surf team.
Touchdown!
Roses are red, just like the boy. All these Saturdays are for the boys. That went nowhere for me.
Thanks, Bella. That's all we have for you today on this week's edition of the Pride Playbook. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, JSerra.
Wow, I really felt that athletic energy.
Well, maybe you can use that energy to make some cool face masks.
Coincidentally, Kayla made a segment on DIY face masks.
Let's see what that's about.
Gee whiz, thanks Kayla.
Hey Max, how was your transition from online to regular school?
It was good overall, but I'm still a little disorganized.
Well, I have a solution for you.
Hello JSerra, and welcome to Student Help. Everyone knows that organizing your schedule, editing and writing assignments, and calculating your grades can be difficult. Well, with Rise Center, you can now take a breather knowing everything is all sorted out. Rise Center was created by our very own Ryan Shahabi, who's a senior here at JSerra. His love of computer science and wanting to help others have an equal opportunity during their time of learning, especially during online school. Rise Center provides all sorts of tools for learning, such as a homework scheduler, self-editor, and a final grade calculator. The homework scheduler is a perfect way to organize yourself by typing in your homework name and the grade you are currently receiving in that class. In addition, if you have a test in whatever subject you put down, it will remind you of that as well. Next, the self-editor can be used to copy and paste any writing assignment you may have. Are you stuck on what contractions, pronouns, or certain tenses are supposed to be used? Do not worry. The self-editor will give you the correct word or phrase. Lastly, we all have those classes that we want to get higher grades in. Thankfully, the final grade calculator will let you know what grade you need to get in order to reach your goal. Unlike other websites, Rise Center will save you time, as it gives you the ability to tell yourself how to keep that letter grade also. This way, you do not have to type in more information. In addition to the scheduler, editor, and calculator, Ryan has a tab on the website where you can check out his own personal projects. His most recent project is on predicting the rise in COVID-19 cases by a model he made. This will eventually be on the website for everyone to see. That is all I have for you today, JSerra. I'm Mateo Chising, and this is Student Help.
That was a great segment.
Yeah, I can already feel the sweet aroma of organization.
Well, since you're so organized now, maybe you can check out what's new at the flea markets.
Good thing Kel has a segment for that.
Hey Max, I heard you did a segment.
Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Guess we'll never know.
Anyway, let's check out Max's segment.
Bill and Ted is the best movie ever made. Fact. Even cinema masterpieces like Apocalypse Now and Citizen Kane get annihilated within a 3-mile radius. So if you don't know what Bill and Ted is, it's essentially, it's a movie made in 1989 about these two idiots who use time travel to get an A on their history project. So that brings us to Bill and Ted Face the Music, otherwise known as Bill and Ted 3. The plot of the movie is that they have to write the song that unites the world that was prophesized in the first movie, or else the world ends because why not? And their daughters help them as well by recruiting rock and roll legends from history. And there's time travel involved. Are you following me so far? So in the beginning of the movie, I was really enjoying myself. They really combined stupid humor with some cleverness to it. Like, for example, their band is called Wild Stallion, which is a double negative because a stallion is already a wild horse. However, towards the end of the movie, they really, their comedic momentum really started falling apart because they were trying to do little comedy bits with the more newer characters, but they were really awkward and they often landed flat on their faces. Another thing I didn't like was when Bill and Ted's daughters traveled back in time, they would get, well, I like this part, but like it's to the end I didn't like. They would get famous rock and roll legends like Jimi Hendrix, Louis Armstrong, and Mozart. But then they got this flute lady from ancient China who apparently founded music in China. But the thing is like, you wouldn't recognize her if you saw her, so there really wasn't a point. And then since they kept going back in time, they got this caveman drummer from caveman times, who's not even a real person. So the movie really just lost me there. Until the ending. which was very, very uplifting. And if you liked the beginning of the movie, then you will like the ending.
Well, let's see what's new with the Eco Club. Well, this concludes today's edition of the Line Report. I'm Max.
And I'm Mateo.
And this has been the Line Report.